Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to cover what are the career opportunities regarding data science, how you can learn data science, how we can make our career in data science in 2024. So understanding data science basically in today's world of data, where everything we explore in internet generates data and uses data. Let's see what's there in our course for you. We provide 100% job assistance, and also the training depends on the modules you take. We have three types of module. The first module we have is for beginners of 3 months. The another module we have is for advanced, up to advanced level, which is of 6 months. Another module has live projects and video based. This includes around 18 plus training modules, 2 plus live projects, 30 plus AI tools and resources which you learn throughout this process, and 80 hours plus of hands-on training. Once you enroll in this course, this training includes lifetime access, so you can learn anytime when you get stuck. This holds a certification, so which can add to your resume and increase your value. This also comes up with live projects, which explains the fundamentals, the important topics of data science, and of course 100% job placement assistance. So here we see course modules. The firstly we are going to cover is the course overview. Like if we go through data science includes several steps. Okay, so for example, classification you have to analyze, you have to learn statistics, you have to be a problem solving expert, you should have a decision making skill, and also the presentation skills which you need to showcase your insights you have grabbed from the database. Let's focus on what will you learn in this course. This course focuses on the 4 fundamental pillars of data science, which is the domain language, maths and statisticals, computer science, and the communication and visualizations. The domain knowledge is can be any domain. For example, if you are going to apply your data science skills in the food industry, the food industry knowledge is must to know how your data is going to work on and be applied. We learn maths and statistics, like linear algebra, calculus, descriptive statistics, exploratory data analysis, and many more. In computer science, we cover SQL, Excel, Python programming language, through which we can create visualizations and many more. We also cover BI tools like Power BI and Tableau, which enables you to make appealing dashboards which translates the data insight you have created. Communication plays a vital role throughout the data science process. Once you are done with visualizations, when you are done with the analytics part, the communicating your insights to the decision maker is the most important part. Understanding of data science, what is data science, why do we actually need to learn it, is the most important topic and the thing we should know, right? So who is this course for? Anyone who is a beginner or an industry professional want to switch his job career can apply for this course. The course is made for everyone. So if you are a beginner or a professional, want to transition your career in data science, or already research analytics and a business professional who want to apply this data analytics and data science process into his business, can enroll to this course. Let's go through the curriculum part. This curriculum includes various modules in it. So we start with introduction to data science, then we proceed to data types and data exploration, then we grab the knowledge of Excel, Power BI, Python, and few data visualization tools. Then we cover the projects. So career opportunities are vast in the field of data science. You can apply as a data analytics, you can apply as data scientist, you can grab opportunities for data engineers, data visualization specialist, you can be a data consultant as well. Let's look out what are the companies looking for you after learning data science. So we have here Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Netflix, and many more. Even banks are nowadays seeking for data science experts. Then you can see like specializations and certifications you get after once you have completed this course. Let's look over the program advantages. These programs include doubt sessions, regular doubt sessions, hands-on projects, certification on completion, networking opportunities, learning opportunities, and lifetime access to course materials, and obviously the 100% job placement assistance. Let's look in the expert trainers. We have Jain sir, which is like holds an experience of more than 10 years in the industry. We have Rao Srivastava sir, which holds like 10 to 15 years over of experience. Then there's me, Mayank Vishwakarma. Here are a few course reviews, student testimonials, and what are the tools and technologies you are going to learn throughout this course. This includes Power BI, Tableau, Python, Excel, Jupyter, Google Colab, Cvon, Matplotlib, NumPy, GitHub, and like n number of technologies which can't be included in this page. So why should you choose TalentSpiral? TalentSpiral holds an experience of 8+ years in the market and has already trained thousands of individuals who are working professionally in various organizations. These courses are especially designed for beginners and industry professionals who are looking for transition their career profile to another career profile. With the concept of project-based learning, we believe things are more exciting to learn when you do hands-on practices on these. So if you have still any questions, you can drop your comment below and mail us to us. Visit talentspiral.com. You can also click on the WhatsApp button visible on the TalentSpiral website. So that's it for now. I hope this video was knowledgeable. Please drop a like, drop your comment, what are your views on the data science. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you.